Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Kreg Work Table is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for any serious woodworker or DIY enthusiast, offering a stable and adaptable platform that can revolutionize your workshop setup, making complex projects manageable and precision achievable with its robust construction and innovative features designed to streamline your workflow and elevate your craftsmanship to new heights. Number 5. Worx Pegasus 2-in-1 Folding Work Table and Sawhorse WX051. Need extra support wherever you go? This workbench pops open easily for setup and folds down compactly for convenient storage and carrying. It's perfect for any location you need a stable surface. Seamlessly switch between a sturdy workbench and a reliable sawhorse. This versatile design allows you to tackle projects of all sizes with just one tool. It offers impressive load-bearing capacity, supporting up to 300 pounds as a workbench and an incredible 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse. It can handle everything from lumber to heavy equipment. Need more room for your project? Simply add another compatible support table. They all connect seamlessly at the same height for an expanded work area. With a generous surface area and a comfortable working height, it provides ample space for various applications like woodworking, painting, and repairs. Constructed from durable materials with steel reinforcements, this workbench is built to last. Despite its toughness, it's surprisingly lightweight for easy transport. It comes with strong, reliable clamps that provide a firm grip on your projects. Additional clamp dogs are included to hold oddly shaped pieces securely in place. What we like. This workbench offers incredible versatility with its 2-in-1 design, easily switching between a workbench and sawhorses. It's built to be portable and foldable, making storage and transport a breeze. If you need a sturdy support for various tasks, from woodworking to DIY projects, and value convenience and flexibility, this is a great choice. What people say. Very sturdy. Easy to set up and fold down. Perfect height to use a chop saw, circular saw. The clamps that came with it are great. So completely portable and is not heavy to move. It's sturdy, a good workable height, has useful clamps that can attach, and is a good size for compact spaces while having a fairly large working tabletop. It unfolds right out of the box and requires no assembly. Still rocking. I've started using the peg holes for bench dogs to lift up my work and do bits off the table. I'm also now using the holes as a means to clamp. These workhorses have been awesome and still kicking it. The flexibility of this tool and the amazing tools for the peg holes keep this on my worth it list. The bottoms of the countertop are not flat, and this makes clamping problematic unless you're using various peg hole clamp options. This is a newfound feature for me, and it's added a whole new dimension to how great this tool is. Number 4. Kreg PRS 2100 Bench Top Router Table. Introducing the Kreg PRS 2100 Bench Top Router Table, a full-size portable solution designed to elevate your workshop. It's the perfect workbench accessory and an ideal gift for any home improvement enthusiast. This premium carpentry tool features a 16-inch tall routing table and a standard insert plate. It's designed to accommodate most routers, providing a stable and versatile platform for your projects. Achieve unparalleled accuracy with its advanced router table fence. It boasts sliding faces, locking levers, and jointing capability for precise control over your cuts. Experience quiet woodworking thanks to its edge-banded and low-friction MDF board top. The microdot skin design effectively lessens vibration for a smoother, more enjoyable experience. This routing table is designed for convenience and accuracy. Its portable and easy slide routing surface, combined with insert plate levels, ensures precise results every time. As a premium Kreg tool, it embodies our commitment to helping woodworkers close the gap between idea and outcome. Trust Kreg for tools that bring your vision to life. What we like. This is a premium benchtop router table designed for workshops, offering a full-size portable solution. It features an insert plate that supports most routers, making it a convenient addition to your existing setup. If you're looking for a dedicated router table that provides accuracy and ease of use for your routing projects, this is an excellent option. What people say. Well made and designed, and provides a lot of features like jointing. A jointer can cost easily as much as this table. The plate leveling system is excellent. The router plate itself is excellent. And the jointing rods that fit behind the fence are a great feature for me since edge jointing small boards was among my primary purposes for a router table. All steel construction is very sturdy, and the paint job seems durable. The steel construction might explain the additional price. Definitely less vibration and noise than my old Craftsman router table. Number 3. Kreg KRS-1035 Multipurpose Shop Stand. Introducing the Kreg KRS-1035 Multipurpose Shop Stand, a premium home improvement tool designed for durability and versatility. Its sturdy steel construction ensures it can handle tough jobs. Get started quickly with its easy-to-assemble design. Simple instructions mean you can set it up and begin your projects without delay. Adapt it to your needs with adjustable height, ranging from 31 to 39 inches. It also features 4 levelers to ensure stability on any floor surface. This stand is compatible with Kreg tabletop products, allowing you to customize it into the perfect tool or work stand for your specific setup. As a premium Kreg tool, it's built to help woodworkers bring their ideas to life. Achieve professional results with reliable equipment. What we like. This multi-purpose shop stand is constructed from sturdy, durable steel and offers adjustable height for customized comfort. It's designed for easy assembly, allowing you to get to work quickly. If you need a robust and adaptable stand that can be configured for various tools or as a work surface, especially if you appreciate adjustable ergonomics, this is a solid pick. What people say. Every pair of bolt holes lined up perfectly. All of the parts, including the nuts and bolts, were much larger, thicker, heavier and sturdier than any other brand I've ever bought. When finished, the stand was very solid, steady and square. The quality of this unit is top-notch as I would expect it to be from Kreg tool. Once assembled it was sturdy and everything about it is heavy-duty. These are awesome. I have now purchased 5 of them, all with the wheel kits, one for my table saw extension table, one for compressor table with all air tool storage, one to use as heavy-duty workbench and one for garden tool rack. They are very sturdy and easily adaptable with shelf storage at the bottom. The outside frame is very solid and I am adding 2x4 around the upper area so I can make a heavy-duty workbench. Number 2. Kreg ACS-TTOP Adaptive Cutting System Project Tabletop. Introducing the Kreg Adaptive Cutting System Project Tabletop. It's designed to elevate your woodworking projects with precision and ease. This portable table saw top is your go-to for making perfect rip, angled, and crosscuts on various materials. Achieve professional results effortlessly. With an integrated track saw guide and measuring scales, it ensures repeatable accuracy for all your cuts. Make every cut count. Featuring adjustable track hinges and mounting plates, it integrates smoothly with your Kreg track saw guide track for enhanced functionality. The included angle guide and repetitive stops guarantee precise alignment for perfect 90 degrees and angled miter cuts. Get it right the first time. As a premium Kreg tool, it empowers woodworkers to bring their ideas to life, closing the gap between concept and finished product. What we like. This adaptive cutting system features a portable tabletop designed for making precise rip, angled, and crosscuts. With an integrated track saw guide and measuring scales, it ensures repeatable accuracy for your cuts. If you are focused on achieving perfect alignment and making consistent, precise cuts with a track saw, this system will elevate your woodworking precision. What people say. This is going to be a long review because I want to provide all of my findings. The short review is I love it and I don't really miss my table saw. I have found this to be extremely accurate in making my cuts. I've been building a lot of shop storage with half-inch plywood and this is as accurate as I need it to be. The table makes projects so much easier. Assembly is easy and it folds up for space-saving storage. Working with the project table makes cutting easy and extremely accurate. Number 1. Kreg PRS 1200 Precision Beaded Face Frame System. Introducing the Precision Beaded Face Frame System. It allows you to create fast, affordable, and easy beaded face frames for your projects. Achieve precise and repeatable cuts with the included router table stop. This feature makes creating custom cabinets simpler than ever. Setting up is a breeze. This woodworking tool integrates seamlessly with your existing router and router table for a straightforward experience. Experience efficient work with its quick adjusting clamp that adapts to stock thickness. The control arm provides smooth and reliable operation. We provide high-quality carpenter tools designed to help you bring your woodworking ideas to life. Close the gap between your vision and the final result. What we like. This system is engineered for creating fast, affordable, and easy beaded face frames. It works seamlessly with your existing router and router table to ensure precise, repeatable cuts. If you frequently build cabinets or furniture and want to add a professional beaded detail with minimal fuss and maximum accuracy, this system is a must-have. What people say. Very accurate. All inaccuracies were due to dimensioning and preparation of the lumber prior to notching. Easy to use. After a couple cabinets you will know exactly what to do and can really fly. Stop-on fence is very reliable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.